Vegetables names with pictures. Brinjal. It is nightshade vegetable. Tomato. It is used in cooking. Onion. It is a root vegetable. Cabbage. It may protect from cancer. Beets. Beet is a root vegetable. Potato. Potato is a root vegetable. Turnip. It is a root vegetable. Fennel. It has light feathery leaves. Broccoli. It helps to protect from cancer. Lady finger. It is full of vitamins. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.